Hello guys, today I am going to be showing you how to use Scratch. So Scratch is a programming language, but it was created in Connecticut. It's connected to HTML and Scratch is a cool programming language. There's this app, but I'm just using Scratch on Google, on the internet. And so, first of all, people can post Scratch games, music, stories, Scratch programs. But to create, you press create here on this. And to go to the menu, press Scratch there. So, first of all, you can choose a sprite, you can paint it, can make a surprise, which is a random sprite from Scratch, and upload a sprite, which upload pictures from File Explorer. Same thing with a backdrop. So here are the different sprites from Scratch. It's a little more organized with different categories. And to program these, this is a list of categories. This is like music notes and cool stuff like that. And so I'll just pick a sprite and I'll just teach you some basics of Scratch. So for it to start, you need an event listener from the event category. This will, if you press something, you'll program it to do something. So it's kind of like cause and effect. So I can do when this green flag is clicked as the most useful block in the events category. And so if I click the green flag, it won't do anything because I don't have any code. This is just the start. So I'll start with some motion. I'll just make it move 10 steps. And here he goes. Here he went. And also you can make him go not just 10, you can make him go 100 steps if you want. So also you can do point towards mouse pointer, which he will face towards the mouse pointer, like that. But the problem is that I want him to point in different directions. So I can click different parts of him, like his leg and head. So that would be easy. And that will be when the sprite is clicked. And if there's a cool scratch trick. If you right click on a block, it shows these 3 options, and I just press delete. So I'll just replace it with this one. This sprite is click block, and now if I press him, you see he's facing the mouse pointer and he's pointing to different directions. So if I want him to go in the middle, because he's like kind of on the side there, I'll go to the motion category again, and I'll do X and Y. Well, X and Y is like the width and height, and you put 0, 0 if you want him in the exact middle. I'll just put this to the side and do green flag to like. So now he'll be in the middle. Also, I will want him to point in direction 90 so that he will be normal. And here are just other categories, and here, and I'll just show you these other categories later. So I hope you like this video. Smash that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next Scratch tutorial. Bye!